Hey everybody, welcome to week 6 of online learning. Can you believe we're on week 6 already? Wow, time sure has gone fast. So here we go. This week you're not going to do any math or any reading in Math and Read 180. Instead you're going to look for this scavenger hunt right here. It says Nature Scavenger Hunt. We are going to get you outside, getting some fresh air and having some fun. Okay, you will download this scavenger hunt into Notability. Let me say that one more time. You're going to download it into Notability, not Explain Everything. Explain Everything doesn't work very well with Schoology. Once you have that downloaded, you will go outside, you will find those items, you will take a picture with your iPad of those items. Okay? When you think you have them all, you will come here, and before you upload it right here, you're going to make sure all of the pictures are also on that same Notability document. Okay? Maybe there's an item that you can't find and you really tried it as hard as you could. You tried to find it and you couldn't find it anywhere. You checked the park, you checked your yard, you just went on a walk and you just couldn't do it. That's fine. Draw a picture the best you can. Okay. The whole point of this is to have fun, to get you outside. Now you might be saying to yourself, Mr. C, why would I want to do this? Well, here's the fun part. Everybody who completes the scavenger hunt 100% finds everything and submits it correctly into Schoology with Notability right here, your name will be entered into a drawing for a Dairy Queen gift card. What? That's right, a Dairy Queen gift card. Who doesn't like a Blizzard or a Dilly Bar or even some chicken strips? We all know Dairy Queen has the best chicken strips. All right, here we go. This is something for fun. Upload it here, and I look forward to seeing what everybody has found and all the pictures you take. Have fun. Be safe. We'll see you soon.